Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys will remember, but I will link a video up here. This is my better half. This is Alana. We've been friends for far longer than I care to admit. It's been over a lot of years.
It's been a long time.
Neither of us had our driver's licenses when we were friends. So we're going to let that sink in. Alana has been staying with me for the past 2 weeks so that she could quarantine and detox, and now that it's safe for us to be close, because she's staying with me and we are being completely safe, obviously, we are going to be using her as a model both today and in future videos. So today, we're going to be doing a full unboxing, review, and demo of everything that came in the January Look Fantastic Beauty box. Now, Alana and I have very different skin types. I'm more combo leaning oily, she is more dry. And a lot of the items in this box were definitely a little more suited for drier skin. So today I'm going to be using her as both a drier skinned model, as well as you guys see me on man face doing makeup all the time. So in future videos, you're going to get to see me doing makeup on someone with a lot better bone structure than I have. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. I say the same thing in every video, and everybody in my life makes fun of me. And in my first 2 videos, I would always point to the like and subscribe button.
I don't know.
And then they just look at me and point. Brandon does.
Okay,
every
I don't
time.
point, but fun stuff I'm posting.
But yeah, I say the same thing, and my friends and family make fun of me. So let's jump right into the video. Beautiful. So, jumping right into the first item, obviously we get our little theme card. I have already done her eyes just because there's no eye stuff in the box, but we'll tie everything up in a little bit. So, first out of the box is going to be from SVR. I should probably have the box in front of me, shouldn't I? This is a facial moisturizer perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin, dermatologically proven to keep skin moisturized for up to 24 hours. Hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive skin type. 60% physio-adapted water and physiological sugars. Massage a coin-size amount into the face and neck AM and or PM after cleansing or toning. Though not the only reason, but one of the great reasons about having Alana here is that my skin is super oily, combo oily. Hers is like the Sahara. So anytime I have something dry that I talk to you guys and I'm like, I'm not going to use it, I can use it on her.
Thank you for calling my skin the Sahara.
You're welcome. And mine is an oil slick. I have a literal deep fryer on my face.
Yes, that is French, by the way.
So we're going to take a small amount. My hands are cleaned and sanitized. I don't know if I said it in the intro, partially because I haven't filmed it yet, but she has been here quarantined for 2 weeks, so we are safe. All right, so I'm not going to overly massage it in. We do want to make sure... Can I have a tissue, please?
Yeah.
We do want to make sure we give the skin time to soak that in.
I can feel it on my skin. It doesn't feel like it's like sitting on top of my skin. I feel it on my skin.
Nice.
So that's a good thing.
Definitely.
Like it feels like it's working.
Perfect.
Right.
Now I do say this, I'm going to pull you up a little bit. I do say this about every skincare product I ever try. First off, on the back of the bottle, there's that 12-month open. So this will expire 12 months after you open it. So you've got 12 months to use this, otherwise it's garbage.
Right.
Another thing, that's the reason I don't open a whole lot, and you guys know that. Another thing with products like this is it is a moisturizer. You'll be able to tell if you're going to have contact dermatitis, a breakout, any of those issues from a product if you're going to have a reaction. But to actually feel the long-term results, you will need to use it consistently for 28 to 60 days. So make sure you're giving it time.
That's plenty of time. You only have 12 months to do it.
Pretty much. Next item is going to be from Star Skin. Now, I have received sheet masks from them in the past, and I did really enjoy them. But this one is a hand mask designed to hydrate dry hands and cuticles, drawing out an innovative double-layer technology that produces a sauna effect to repair the condition the skin and soften even the roughest hands. 16 botanicals, extracts, and oils. Formulated to make everything feel softer with shea butter, goji berry, macadamia root, olive oil, licorice, and penny root. That is awesome.
Tell me to be Vanna.
You're going to be Vanna. We're going to put these on you. All right, so we're going to apply these on. And since I'm here to do her makeup, she doesn't need it for me to finish her face off. Now, they don't feel super saturated, which I actually think is a good thing. So, oh, that's upside down.
Yeah, but
it's wet.
It's wet.
As the instructions say, We're going to leave this on for up to 15 minutes, and then we'll pull those off. So I'm going to jump into the next item. The next item out of the box is the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. Both of us have very curly hair, and we'll be doing a hair routine coming up because a lot of you have been commenting that you want to see what we're doing or what I'm doing.
And what he's doing is because of what I did.
Exactly. So this is a hair mask formulated to nourish your hair from roots to end. Getting to work overnight, your Grow Gorgeous hair mask is formulated to enhance shine, reduce frizz, lock in moisture, and leave your hair with a silky, soft salon feel once styled. Better, it is vegan and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or silicones.
Good.
Which is great.
Good.
Generous amount in the hair once a week, or up to 3 times a week if you have dry, damaged hair. So we're going to try this out in an upcoming video, but that's not going to be today. Next item, which is the only other item we will not be using on camera, this is the AV Cleansing Bar, which is a barred soap. I will tell you, when I opened this box up, the aroma filled the room. It does smell great. This is a gentle antibacterial cleansing soap to cleanse and purify both the face and body. Infused with calming ingredients, avocado and cucumber to work. Uses avocado oil, cucumber extract, and fatty acids to help to clean and cleanse the skin. Now, in my house, we don't use barred soap just because germophobia. Like, it is a bar that even though you're using it to clean, it just sits there. So I'm going to probably drop that in an upcoming giveaway because I won't personally use it. Will you use it?
I've been using barred soap since I got here.
Okay, next item which we are going to put the test. I already wet it, but this is the So Eco Complexion Face Sponge. 100 of these equals a tree. I don't know what that means, but maybe for every 100 sold, they plant a tree. Let's read. An eco-friendly makeup sponge is perfect for applying creams, powders, liquids all over the skin for flawless finish. Pointed tip for hard-to-reach areas. After each use, it is important to clean your sponge to prevent bacterial buildup. Best way is to use a warm water and a baby shampoo. I do agree. Also, you should be throwing these out the second they rip, tear, or in any way become damaged.
We are planting 1 tree for every 100 products sold.
Beautiful. I was right. That was a good guess.
That was a very good guess.
I am going to grab a paddle brush. You guys know I do like when I'm using any foundations, concealers, the works, I like to apply with a brush and then finesse it with a sponge. So I'm going to take a little bit of the foundation on a small paddle brush. This is from Luxy Beauty. And since we're using the moisturizer, your hair is already, your face is already primed. So we're just going to take a little bit of this. It's going to look like a lot more than it is. And I'm going to just gently move this around the face, and then we will shear it out. So it did blend out really nicely. It's not soaking up too much product. So you can see a little bit on the tip, really just the concealer. But the foundation didn't really soak up too much.
I have this lighting everywhere I go, please.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my god.
This lighting is...
It's a lot when you walked in the room and you turn them all on, but like, damn.
I'm going to take a tiny bit of powder. She is dry, so we don't want to powder everything. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the Complex Couture Translucent. Nice.
Thanks.
We're going to take a little bit of the Complex Couture finishing powder. I basically pat most of it out of the brush, and I'm really just going to target the under eyes and the bridge of the nose, and then her forehead, because we don't want this to crease. I am going to use this for both a cushion bronzer and a cushion blush today, just because I really want to put the sponge to the test. So I'm going to, on the flat side of the brush, take a little bit of a cushion bronzer. And she has natural cheekbones. I have to like paint mine on.
That is the darkest bronzer I've ever seen.
It's because it's in the cushion. Like, look, I just put it on you. It's super sheer.
Okay.
So you really don't get a whole lot. It looks a lot more intimidating. When I used
You scared the bejesus out of me.
When I used this on camera for the first time, I thought it was going to be so dark on me. And it sheared out so nicely. So we're just adding a little bit of warmth. And then switching to the bottom, we're going to take some of the same blush I used from that video, which also looks way too pink.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go finish up her eyes off camera and tie everything up, and we'll be right back to go into the last item in the box. And the last item is from Sleek Beauty. It is the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Lip Cream. Right up front, I am going to say I'm not going to love the color with this eye. So we're going to take that into consideration when we're trying it out. We're going to talk about formula. It is a very pretty color. I just don't think with this eye I would pick this color. But that's a Brett problem. Liquid lipstick, intense pigment with a light texture and matte finish. In your box, 1 of 4 shades with long-lasting color. This is in the shade French Fancy. So we're just going to apply this, and because I'm going to be blocking her face, you're not going to see it anyway. So we'll be right back once the lip is on. Okay, so this is very pink.
Uh-huh.
So I'm not even going to finish applying this.
Yep.
Because that's
No.
very pink. How does it feel though?
It's not too heavy, which
Okay.
is nice because sometimes when you have a liquid lipstick, it's really heavy and you feel it and then you know it's gonna crack.
Mm-hmm.
So it's there, but I don't notice it's there.
All right, so we're going to switch this lip out for something a little more wearable, and then we'll be back to talk through the whole box. All right, so we are back. We just threw on an Anastasia lip gloss. This is in the shade Kirsten, which is beautiful. I like it so much more than that pink. You guys know I'm not really into the watermelon pinks. So, all in all, this box costs $16 a month to get. I will drop a link in the description box where you can get it your first box for $1. It is not a commission code. I'm not getting paid for it, but if you're interested in using that link, it will get you a discount. It is a $16 a month subscription box, and I will definitely say, based on everything, I definitely think it's worth the $16, especially if you get the first one for $1.
$1.
We definitely forgot to take off the hands, so we're going to take these off now and see how we feel about those. But the moisturizer, I know how dry your skin is. I did not necessarily use a dry skin foundation, but your skin doesn't look dry.
Well, that's good.
And then...
I like this.
So the moisturizer was good. The sponge definitely worked. Let's rub that in.
There's a lot on here, which is nice. Feels good.
You had mentioned earlier, because you guys know at Paragon we're all about nails, so we were actually taking some pictures of her hands yesterday, and she was complaining how dry they felt.
Well, because I'm washing my hands
9,000 times a day.
Like a fiend.
But how's it feel?
It feels really good.
Awesome. So
I'm
let me
hoping.
know what you guys think down below. Thank you again for being, not that you have a choice.
I don't have a choice.
But I'm glad that she enjoys doing this. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.